English tip by tip.
Tip 64. Water vehicles. Amphibious. Cruiser. Submarine. Dinghy. Kayak. Ferry. Canoe. Yacht. Boat. Paddleboard. Sailboat. Tip 64. Exercise. Complete. In Barcelona, you can see various water vehicles, including ferries, cruisers, and yachts. The historic ferry Las Golondrinas, Suelos, offer harbor tours providing a perspective of the city from the sea. Barcelona's port is a starting and ending point for Mediterranean cruisers. A stroll around Barcelona's marina provides an enchanting view with a wide variety of boats and yachts. On the beaches, is not unusual to see kayaks and paddleboards.
Please subscribe to the channel. Not to miss any tip. Please share it to your friends.